G'day mates, welcome to this video. Today we're going to be diving into a social media influencer's 11-day business trip. I'm going on a trip and I want to share with you exactly what I have going on to give you some insights on what the kind of things that I'm involved with doing and what plans I have so that you can kind of get an understanding of the types of things that you do as an entrepreneur working from home and being able to travel and be involved with kind of growing and building your business and being able to go on a business trip. You know, it's been my dream to be able to travel, to be able to do the things that I love to do. And some of those things that I'm doing on this 11-day business trip that I'm going to share with you in just a moment, I'm just about to actually leave here for it so that you can get an insight into exactly what's going on, what happens, and what you guys can look forward to as well in the future when you have the opportunity to, you know, work from home and influence people in your industry as well. So let's get right into this. The first thing that I want to do for you guys is just basically lay out for you kind of what it's going to look like for me and explain kind of different pieces of it and then give you my thoughts at the end. And then I'm going to take you guys along with me over these next 11 days and sharing with you as much as I possibly can to help you give you some perspective and some understanding and some value and help and advice in different areas of your life. So let's get right into it. The first thing that's going to be happening, so just to give you a really brief overview, is I'm traveling right now to Salt Lake City. I'm going to be staying there for a little bit and I'll explain exactly what I'm doing there. Then I'm going to be traveling to Arizona. I'm going to be in Phoenix, Arizona for quite a little bit. And then I'll be out in California for the last 3 or 4 days of my trip. And then I'll be headed back, flying out of San Diego, back to Salt Lake City at the end of my trip. So what exactly is happening in all those places, right? I'm going to be able to go to Salt Lake, Phoenix, Arizona, and San Diego, California, and also be up in Orange County area in California, just south of LA. So in Salt Lake, the plan is I'm going to be there for about 4 or 5 days, and I'm going to be down there with my wife this weekend, just spending some time together. And we actually have a plan to go on a really, really nice hike down there. If those of you don't know the Utah, Salt Lake area, really, really great for hiking. There's lots of like outdoors stuff to do. Really want to go out and explore the outdoors while I'm there, just spend some time with the wife. And I'll try and throw a picture here up on the screen of the place that we want to travel to. You guys might see this in the future, but this is a really pretty place. It's called the White Pine Lake, and we're planning on doing a hike up there on Saturday. So that's tomorrow at the shooting of this video. So it may be Saturday right now while you're watching it, but really excited to go there. And my plan is that while I'm also enjoying nature and being with my wife and being outdoors, the plan is to actually shoot some content while I'm up there to create for either potential ads or content that are going to be included in some of my sales funnels that I'm currently building. For those who've been following me for a while, I've been involved in what it's called the 2 Club X program with Russell Brunson. I've been building my funnel and I'm planning on getting a lot of footage over this trip to include in different parts of this funnel, okay? And different parts of maybe the ads as well. So you may see that in the future, who knows? You might not. But that's the place we want to go to. It's really, really pretty, really beautiful, and I love nature. I've always loved nature, and I just want to head up there and get some content as well. So that's kind of one big thing that I want to do while I'm in Salt Lake. And then actually tomorrow night, which is Saturday night, I don't know when I'm going to get this video up, but I'm actually going to attend an event with Russell Brunson. He's going to be in Salt Lake City with a comedian interviewer, I guess, a comedy interviewer. I don't remember his name, but he's sitting down. I was invited, or I got a ticket to the event. Russell's going to be sharing his story for about 3 hours of how he went from 0 to 100 million with ClickFunnels. So I'm going to be sitting in on that, listening to that, and learning a lot from Russell and what he has to share at that event. So I'm really excited about that. My wife will be attending with me. So I don't know if I'll be able to get any footage of that, but we'll see what happens. And so the other thing that I want to do in Salt Lake City while I'm there, I'm going to be there until next Wednesday. So I'm going to be down there for about 4 to 5 days. Man, I need to slow down when I talk sometimes. And my plan is I do want to have an opportunity to test drive a car down there that I particularly am interested in. I've always been interested in the Jaguar F-Type R, and I'm also interested in the C63 AMG and one of my good friends, Johnny Bradley, actually got one of those recently, and it just got me so excited for him again. So we'll see what we drive down there, and hopefully I can get you guys some footage. We'll see what happens, but I'm genuinely interested in getting one of those cars here next year, and we'll see what happens. So that's kind of the plan there. I want to test drive a car. I just want to have the experience of driving the car, and a lot of it has to do with putting yourself in a situation where you can visualize, you can really imagine what it's like to own that car and work towards that goal. So if you guys are wanting a certain car, if you have another desire to get something else, like put yourself in a situation where you can enjoy that experience and really take it in visually. You can smell the car, you can visually see it, you can use it. Incorporating all your senses into the experience will really help you to kind of like, when you're away from that, you can experience it again and help you be motivated and work towards a goal like that. So that's kind of one thing I want to do, and I'm really excited about that. So we'll see if we can get that done in Salt Lake. May have to do that when I get back into Salt Lake after the end of my trip, but we'll see what happens. The next part is traveling to Arizona. So I'm going to be flying out to Phoenix, Arizona from Salt Lake, and that's going to be next week. And the plan is I'm actually going to attend the 2 Comma Club X event. It's an exclusive event for those who joined Russell Brunson's coaching program when I went for my trip to Florida early this year, actually. And for those of you who don't know, it was a program. It's $1,800 a month that I pay for to be a part of this coaching event. The goal is to make $1 million with a funnel within 12 months. So a sales funnel, for those who don't know, it's simply kind of like a sales page when you land on a web page and someone sells you a digital product, a service, or a product, or a physical product. And the program is designed to teach us how to do that and to leverage our skills and our knowledge, right? So that's going to be really exciting. It's going to be a deep dive. Russell Brunson's actually going to be there, so I'm going to see him in Salt Lake, and then I'm basically going out to Arizona with him as well. I'm not flying. I don't know if I'm flying on the same plane. It'd be pretty cool if I was, right? I guess we'll see. I'll let you guys know if that happens. But I'll be out in Phoenix, Arizona for a 3-day event. It's going to be about 100, 200 people. Russell Brunson speaking there for 2 days. You can't buy tickets anywhere. You can't just show up or anything. It's just an exclusive event for the coaching students, and it's going to be incredibly powerful. I'm really excited to hear Russell speak. I believe he's also announcing a new book. Don't quote me on that, but his 3rd book in the series is Expert Secrets and .com Secrets. He's releasing his 3rd one, which is Traffic Secrets, for those who don't know. And he might be doing an early release to all of us who will attend, but we'll see. I don't even know if that will happen. That's just speculation. And it's just going to be great to network with people there. A lot of people who are in the 2 Comma Club coaching have either working their way towards making $1 million with a funnel, and also include people who are going from the 2 Comma Club award, which is making $1 million with a funnel. There's like an award that Russell Brunson gives out, to making $10 million with a funnel, which is the 2 Comma Club X award. And so there are people in here that have made multiple millions online already that I'm able to connect with, network with, and kind of get their perspective on things in terms of just kind of building an online business that's really, really successful. And so those are kind of the skills and the kind of people that I'm surrounded with by being a part of this program. That's why I made the investment. That's why I know that investing in yourself is so, so crucial to success. And that event is just going to be incredibly powerful and important. So I plan on shooting some content there. I want to record a little bit of the event. Obviously, I can't really share a whole lot, but I want to share a lot of my experience while I'm there and kind of document that experience. And hopefully I can get a chance to even speak with Russell and even get a recording with maybe some other influencers or content creators there. There's not a whole lot that I found that are a part of this group, but it'd be really nice to even collaborate on something. So you guys will see on my YouTube channel whether that will happen or not. But I also plan on shooting some content for a possible ad while I'm there as well. I've been brainstorming some ads for what I would do there, just to help people kind of get to know me and get to know how I can help and serve them. So that's that. That's 2 Comma Club event. I'm going to be down there with a friend as well. He is part of the group as well. And we're going to be then driving back out to California. It's about 3 or 4 hour drive, I think, maybe 5 hours, because he's driving out there to Arizona. And we're going to be out in California for about 3-4 days. And it's going to be go time in California. So when we're out there, basically the plan is going to be staying in San Diego and I'm actually going to be renting a really, really nice car. I'll throw it up on the screen here. It's the Porsche 718 Cayman in Miami blue. It is my perfect color. As most of you know, that is my brand color, so I'm really, really excited to drive that and just kind of enjoy the experience out there in California. And definitely going to be shooting some content with that car. And I also have plans to record a bunch of content, kind of like promotional ad style content for some of the future upcoming things that I have going on that you guys will hear about soon. And we're gonna just shoot as much possible content as we can, as much time as we have. And my friend has a drone, so I'll be using that as well. And it's gonna be epic. I'm really excited about that. So I'm actually speaking out there in California. I'm going to an event that one of my followers has reached out to me and offered a opportunity to speak in front of about a group of 30, 40 or 50 people. I can't remember how much. And it's going to be really cool. I'm really excited about it. It's my first speaking gig ever. And so I'm going to be getting up there, sharing my story and sharing a little bit about how you can make an income and impact through social media. So I'm really excited about that. And yeah, it should go well. I'll let you guys know how it goes. I'm going to try and record the whole presentation. He said that I can record it for my content, so we should be able to get some good content up there for that. We got to be able to get a camera up there so you can see kind of what I do when I'm present. So that'd be cool. So yep, then I'm going to be connecting with some influencers, possibly meeting up with some people. I don't want to drop names right now because we're still in the works of organizing things, getting together. So we'll see what we can do, connecting with people out in California. I've got a few people that I've reached out to that hopefully we can connect with, collaborate possibly. And honestly, I just want to get to meet other people like that, and see how I can serve them and how I can help. So that's going to be the purpose of that. And hopefully making some good connections out there, influencers, and just shooting a ton of content. Probably going to be going to Newport Beach, even Laguna Beach is much closer to San Diego, and shooting some footage there as well. So pretty much the whole trip is going to be full of content. So I'm headed out right now. After I shoot this video, we're just about to leave down to Salt Lake, and I plan on grabbing, a new SD card, I need a new camera battery, I need another camera battery so whenever this one runs out, I can keep filming, I don't have to go and charge it. We're going to be stocked up with everything we need. I've got a GoPro, I'm getting a car mount so I can put it in the car as well. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy the content over the next little while. I really hope that I can keep my content schedule up while I'm on my trip, but it's going to be so hectic with everything else going on. So we'll see how it goes, but I plan on getting content out to you guys. Hopefully you can be a part of this experience with me. I'm really excited to go out there, and I hope this is beneficial for you. Just kind of showing you, being vulnerable and showing you guys kind of what's going on in my life. And, that's something that I've done on my channel in the past and that I've tried to continue to do, just to show you what's really going on and things like that. So I'm kind of anxious about not being able to get as much work done over the next 2 weeks basically, but it should be fine. I should be able to work with what I got and get you guys some content as well. So hopefully you enjoy the next little while of content. There's going to be some epic things coming here. And guys, if you live in any of these places, please leave a comment below. Let me know. I don't have a whole lot of free time, but I'd love to have opportunities to even meet up with a few of you. We'll see how things go. But until then, I hope that this has been valuable for you. And if you have, please leave a like on this video. If you're new to this channel, if you're new to entrepreneurship, you want to become a social media influencer, you're interested in growing your social media, making income through it, then please subscribe to this channel. This is where you're going to get all the information that you need in order to do that. And until next time, guys, I will see you very soon in Salt Lake City.